Builder connects your codebase to a visual workspace where you can design, test, and build with AI. Let's walk through the interface together so you can navigate confidently and know where to find what you need. When you open a project, you'll start in Interact mode by default. This is a live preview of your application. Click buttons, test interactions, navigate between pages. Everything runs on your actual code in real time, so you can verify your changes are working correctly. To make those changes, here at the bottom of your screen is a prompt field where you can ask Builder to modify your project. Type your request, like add a dark mode toggle to the header, or update the pricing cards to match this screenshot. And Builder will implement it. Changes update in the preview right away. If connected, Builder has learned your codebase, your component library, design patterns, and coding conventions. So when you ask for changes, it's generating code that feels like it came from your own team. By default, Builder works in build mode, which starts implementing your requests right away. There's also a toggle for plan mode, which lets you discuss your ideas with the AI before code gets written, but we'll talk about that more in another video. You'll also notice options like which AI model to use, but most of the time you can leave this on auto, and Builder will pick the best model for your task. As you work with Builder, you'll build up a conversation history. Here are some key tools for managing that. The History tab gives you a complete timeline of everything you've asked Builder to do. You can search through past prompts, bookmark important states, and most importantly, restore to any previous point. When should you start a new chat? Use the New Chat button when you're switching to a different task or a related feature. This clears the context and gives you a fresh start, which helps the AI focus. But if you're iterating on the same feature, keep the conversation going. Builder uses that context to make better decisions. You'll also see thumbs up and down icons for each AI response for quick feedback. And you can use the feedback button at the bottom to send more detailed thoughts directly to the Builder team. Other ways to edit. At the top of your workspace, you'll see tabs for different editing modes. We've been working in the Interact tab, but there are two other ways to make changes. Design mode is for visual editing. Select elements directly on the page and modify them using the options on the right side's Style menu. If you're familiar with Figma, this should feel similar. When you're done making visual changes, click Apply Visual Changes at the top to sync those edits with your code. The Code tab provides developers and those technically savvy direct access to your project's files. File Explorer, Code Editor with syntax highlighting, and terminal output. Developers can edit code directly here, and everything stays in sync across all modes. Make a change in one place, and you'll see it update everywhere. The toolbar at the top has everything you need for navigation and collaboration. On the far left, you've got the Builder menu. You can click that to get back to your project's list, access the command palette for quick actions, and see your agent credits. In the center, there's a location bar, where you can type different routes to navigate between pages in your application, if you know what they are. Profile icons to the right show everyone else currently in this project with you. Real-time collaboration is built in. The mobile icon next to the profiles is your responsive mode toggle. Click it to test your project at different screen sizes. Two important features for collaboration: the Preview button and the Share button. Click the Preview button to open your project in a new tab. This generates a shareable preview URL to play with. You can send this to stakeholders, designers, or anyone who needs to see your work in progress. Just note that preview URLs are available only when using cloud containers, which is a typical Builder configuration. The Share button combines a few collaboration features in one place. You can grab that preview link here too, and also invite team members to your project by email. On the far right of your toolbar is either a Create Repo or Send PR button. This depends on how your project was set up. This is how you'll submit your changes as a pull request to your team's codebase. We'll walk through the entire PR workflow in another course. So that's the Builder interface. You start in Interact mode with your live application, prompt Builder for changes, bug fixes, and new features, manage your conversation with the History tab and Restore points, and can switch to design or code modes when you need different editing approaches, plus the navigation tools, collaboration features, and one-click preview and PR creation in the toolbar. Thanks for watching, and happy building!